Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can only me featured photo on Facebook story highlight privacy settings. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up your Facebook app and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, go to your profile and open your feature story or highlight. Here, tap on this three dot, then tap on Edit Featured Collection. And as you can see, currently my feature is set to public, and here is no option to change this feature privacy to only me. You can delete your feature collection. To hide it, go to your profile menu, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Here, scroll down and search for Story option. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, tap on Story Privacy. And now you can select Custom to choose people to show you story, or you can select Hide Story from to select people to hide your highlight story. So this is the only way to do it. So that's basically how you can only me featured photo on Facebook story highlight privacy settings. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.